gonna be playing with another YouTuber. I don't know his channel name, but oh no, I want my chocolate milkshake. This is a channel I will be posting recently, and this is my first time playing Roblox. I played Roblox before. Sorry, I've done multiple attempts. I'm also playing with a second YouTuber. Oh, that's so easy. I could just rainbow carpet my way. Ooh, weird. I could easily just catch the developer. I have the rainbow carpet. Oh my god, this is W. I don't think I should hurt this. He has to get, like, is he popular? Shout out to you. And if you're this YouTuber, please comment. Because I don't know who your channel is. I know you could keep it to yourself, but I should not cheat. Oops. Usually I'd be hanging out. I forgot to use my carpet. Look at this YouTuber. He's gonna get so much views more than me. I don't know the name of the channel, but if you're this person, please. Sorry if I had to repeat myself, but please tell me the name. And no, this is not my main avatar. It's just pink aesthetic. What's up, y'all? Shout out to everyone in this. Wait. Whoops. I could just whee. Whoops. Turn red, dang it. Boing. No, turn. No, turn red. Yay, I did it. I have the max amount of friends, but I'm friends with a YouTuber now. I do not know the name of the channel, but if you want, you can follow me, because I don't have much followers. I have only 3. I have multiple alts. I have 3 alts. I have 2 alts. One of them is my original. This is not my original. The reason why I'm on this one is because it's the one that has the most coins, okay? So I'll eventually... Wow, my fans are gonna be so happy. Sight! Alright. My storage might be... I hope my storage can survive. But I'll eventually post this on YouTube. If not, I will be back soon, guys. I just randomly eliminated someone with a gun. If you want to know the Christ, here's the shop. It's very expensive, and I'm planning to save up for this gear. Vending machine. I'm surprised he actually has that. I don't usually use that. I usually just rainbow carpet. It's pretty much the most second expensive item in the game. And no, I did not pay Robux. I was saving up for it, but I'm planning, after I buy the most expensive gear in the game, then I will buy the freeze ray, and then my whole job will be finished. I will no longer be buying. Should I really? Let's cheat. You know what? No, I should not cheat. Cheating is horrible, but if I fall, I'm gonna use my rainbow. Stay clear of moving platforms. And guys, thank you. Please like and subscribe, because my most popular video did not get much subscribers. I swear if somebody dislikes, it's gonna be fine, but I do not know why I do not have any haters yet. But if you're a hater, please comment. Please comment with like a skull emoji to prove, accept, or actually will actually like do like an angry emoji, like a very angry emoji. I think my storage is about to run out soon, but I hope not. Guys, I'm working on multiple things right now, and why not? Mainly I guess I'm gonna do it to a random person. Online gamers these days. I'm gonna make her boyfriend bigger. There you go. I just literally removed 2 people from the earth.
It's the most beautiful thing I ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana.
Yo, it's peanut butter gelatin Yo, this actually fits. I look like a plushie. You know what? I'm a grand I'm a crumble cookie. Yo, banana split, guys. Soon I will be just typing and then I'll come back. Because I do not know if I should continue filming. And yes, it's just part of the thing. I also have I have a pregnant cat and one that already gave birth. Like 4 kids and 1 died. I cannot show pictures right now because I am in the middle of a game and I cannot leave. Fight. No. Oh my god, I have a bazooka. I'm gonna blow you up. I am the better version. Ah! So embarrassing. Let me just... Oops. I randomly decided to eliminate someone. Please do not be mad or demonetize me. I'm not being rude. You can guys like and subscribe. I'm not gonna send threats to you. I'm just gonna kill. I'm not gonna kill anybody. I think the person that's underneath me is my friend. He also is a YouTuber and he might get more views. He probably has a community tab already more than me. And I officially have a community tab. The reason why I had my first ever pull with force. Girl, what the heck is that avatar? Developer? Holy Luya, I'm actually filming what the... He must be clapping of joy, like he's like clapping like in the audio. Get to the end with